A warm word of welcome to everyone this afternoon as we celebrate my daughter's birthday, Siti Saiha. Today is an exceptional day. I am so glad that so many people in our life have been able to join us this day, even I'm here abroad. As always, to absent friends, relatives, family friends, we still miss you. But today, it's all about celebrating my daughter's first birthday. It brings to mind the old two words that at times we enjoy like no one other. As we remember our childhood days, all we think is about to play. And this afternoon, we are here to play, to enjoy, to celebrate, and dance with your kiddos. And also, family gathering for those families that we miss so much. Let's capture some magical moments and have fun. At last, thank you for joining us and go on. Enjoy the food, dance a little, and play like no one is watching. And together, we will bring a lot of memories. Thank you and good afternoon. Sa aking anak, Siti Saiha, happy birthday. 1 year ka na. Sana lumaki kang mabuting bata. Sana kahit wala ang daddy dyan, isipin mo lagi na love you so much. Happy birthday, nak. Sa'yo, Mami Weng, salamat sa pag-aalaga mo sa ating anak. Alam ko mahirap maging nanay at tatay, pero nakakaya mo yun. Salamat sa pag-aaruga sa ating anak. Thanks for the love. Salamat.